This film is part of the research puzzle series produced by the academic librarians at USW. Each one breaks down a different part of the research process to help you put the pieces together. If you'd like to explore more parts of the research puzzle, check out the other films in the series. And if you need any help, just get in touch. We're here to support you.
Grey literature, a hidden resource. What is grey literature? It is information produced by individuals, groups, organizations, and companies that isn't published through commercial publishers. But what exactly is grey literature? Here are some examples of grey literature. Company and organizational information. Market research. Government documents, papers, policies, and reports. Theses. Datasets. Conference papers and proceedings. Statistics. Census data. Clinical trials. Patents. Standards. Blogs and social media posts. There are many advantages to using grey literature in your research. It fills the gaps in published literature. It's very useful for under-researched or fast-evolving fields such as health, technology, or education. It gives you access to unique perspectives that may reflect government or industry viewpoints not present in academic sources. It offers practical, real-world evidence. Grey literature is often more up-to-date or current than peer-reviewed publications. It reduces publication bias. Published journals may favor positive or significant findings. Grey literature includes negative or inconclusive results, giving a more complete picture. And it is usually open access, not hidden behind paywalls. There are some disadvantages to using grey literature, including lack of peer review. Some documents may contain bias, errors, or unsubstantiated claims. It can be harder to locate and access. It requires more effort to search across multiple platforms. Citation and validity issues. URLs and documents may disappear or change. Potential bias. It could be produced for advocacy, marketing, or political reasons. There is a risk of hidden agendas or selective reporting. Limited scope, focusing on specific geographic areas or organizational contexts, which can be limiting. This is why it is important to stay critical. Grey literature varies considerably in quality, so needs to be critically evaluated for reliability and bias. Try using the ARCODS checklist. This is an evaluation and critical appraisal tool specifically for use with grey literature. It stands for accuracy. Does the item have a clearly stated aim or brief? Authority. Is the document supported by credible sources? Coverage. Does the source explain what it does and does not cover or consider? Are limits clearly stated? Objectivity. Is there any bias? How was it funded? Date. Can you find the date? A date is essential to confirm relevance. And significance. Does the document add something unique to the research? See your subject guide or your librarian for further details. Where to find grey literature? You can use any search engine to look for grey literature. Try using a mix of different search engines. Find it can also be used. Think carefully about your keywords. We recommend you watch the film searching tips for Google. This film is part of the Research Puzzle series and will give you lots of tips on using the Google search engine to effectively search for grey literature online. Or you could try using one of our specialist databases, such as Statista for industry data or CINAHL for clinical trials. These and many more are available on Find It. Go to the Find Databases link on the home screen. Official websites like the Office for National Statistics, government sites, charities, or the World Health Organization are just some examples of good sources. University research repositories. These are digital platforms that offers public access to the research outputs of that university. They usually have a name. USW's is called Pure. They include theses, journal articles, and datasets. The OATD, Core, and Open Door offers access to repositories around the world. Further information can be found on your subject guide, or you can contact your academic librarian.
I hope you found this film useful. To find out more about solving the research puzzle, please watch the other films in this series, and if you need any help, get in touch with your academic librarian. Thanks for watching.